Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can take long screenshot or scrolling screenshot on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. So first I'm gonna open any app that allows me to scroll through the page. So over here we have the Google app where we can scroll pretty much endlessly. And now in order to take the long screenshot, first we need to make the screenshot, so you can use one of the three methods, that is the power button and volume down button at the same time. There we go. So of course this is how we can make the screenshot. We can also press and hold with our three fingers on the screen. There we go. Or of course we can use the quick access in order to find the screenshot button. And there we go. Regardless which one you choose, over here on the left side at the bottom we will have the button that allows you to enable the scrolling option. So press over here. And there we go. Now we are recording. We have auto scroll. However, we can decide by ourselves how much we want to capture. So I'm gonna go a little bit further, and let's say I want it to this point over here. So now I can press this button over here. Now let's wait a couple of seconds, and there we go. Our screenshot is ready, and as you can see we can scroll through the screenshot. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.